Hello, future developers. Welcome to another tutorial with ABCD. We'll be continuing with our NumPy. Okay, so numerical Python. So today we'll be doing mathematical functions. We're going to add, do some square roots, standard deviation of an array. Okay, so here this is going to sum the elements in the array. So just going to add everything, and then we have what 21. Okay, so when you add these elements, you should get the value 21. So let's just try something out. Just going to put this here. Okay, I'm going to take the v stacking. Let me just take this out. Okay, I'm just going to print into brackets. Let's see m dot sum. Okay, let's print out built-in method sum numpy in the array. That's what's happening. Okay, so it's a function. I need to bring a bracket. Okay, just print it out. So 23. So when we add all this, we should get 23. Okay. Let's try square roots. Let's do the square roots of this. Okay, so here we're doing square root. So let's just paste this. Sorry, just take this out. And print into brackets np dot sqrt sqrt into bracket m. So we want to do the square root of these numbers. Okay, so these are the square roots of the numbers. So let's see what else do you want to do. Control C, and then let me add. Let's see what else we did here. Standard deviation. Okay, so just paste here, and I'm going to change it to STD. No, I'm not saying sexually transmitted. This is just standard deviation. Okay, so there's the standard deviation of these numbers. Okay, let's see addition. So let's try adding two arrays. Okay, so let's just go here, and then let me first pick our m and n. Where's our m and n? Okay, so let's just pick these ones, and then Control C. Let's go to, let's start from here. Let me just add this cell that I'm going to paste here. So let's just take this out. I'm going to print into brackets m plus n. Okay, so let's see. So this is going to add everything. So here we have what 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4, 3 plus 6 9, in that order. Okay, so you can do same to subtraction as done here. Okay, so let's just print under subtraction. So print into brackets m minus n. You can see we have these values. You can do same with multiplication. So I'm going to add Control V to bracket m, and then the asterisk n. Okay, so you just do some multiplication. 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 2 4, 6 times 3 18, in that order. And then let's try division. Okay, so we're going to do division. And let me just copy this. Control C. Sorry, m divided by n. Okay, so we have the values. Okay, when these are divided. Okay, so let me see, multiply each element by 10. Okay, so let's say I want to multiply let's just write it down here and paste. Then do m times let's say 10. Okay, let's print it out so you can see we are multiplying each element by 10. So 10 times 1, 10, 10 times 20, 20, 30, 40, 50, 80, the order. Let's see if we can do that for let's see something. Control V. Then let's see. trying to achieve or experiment with something, but I couldn't get the desired results. So that should be it for this. And then thank you for watching, and then I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.